Hi everybody, it's Claire with a art journal cover to share with you. This is a really quick video because it was filmed as a very fast time lapse. So this is one of the 6x6 white journals from Dina Wakley Media, and I've added some collage tissue paper onto the background. Then I'm using these circles for painting stencil, and I've used sand and gold through that. The gold is, gilt. And next I'm using the Things That Grow stencil with some turquoise paint and adding some stenciled elements, then outlining them using a black pen. This is a really simple page. Then I've used my Stabilo All pencil just to add some shadow to some sides of those circles, and just activating it with a water brush. Then just adding a few more marks on there, and that is it. Told you it was quick. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.